Hello everyone, welcome to our titled AI powered virtual try on mirror. Basically, it is focused on revolutionizing cloth stores and e-commerce site. We are innovative coders, a team consisting of Priyanshu Gupta, Pratham Jaiswal, and myself, Aryan Jadon. We all are pursuing BCA course from Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University of Lucknow. We extend our gratitude to the National Ideathon 2026 for providing us this platform to share our innovative idea with you and the world. Now I will handle it over to my co-member to explain the concept in more details.
So, as we mentioned earlier, our idea is AI powered virtual try-on mirror. And as you can tell, the title itself describes the essence of the innovation. Let's start by understanding the existing problems that led us to develop this idea. The inspiration for this project came from an incident during one of our shopping trips. We realized how much time is wasted in physically trying on clothes to check for fit, color, and size. On top of that, there's often a long queue for fitting rooms, which makes the whole process even more frustrating. We also observed shopkeepers struggling to manage piles of clothes. That's when we realized that this system could solve this issue in a big way. Not only does it save time, but it also addresses the problem of size mismatching in the blink of an eye. Many customers also avoid trying clothes on because they are uncertain about whether the fit will be right or not to them. Now let me introduce our solution. Here we have a glimpse of our concept. You can see a woman is standing in front of a mirror where an AI powered camera is pre-installed above it. The system uses augmented reality to scan her body, converting it into a digital 3D graphic. This digital graphic is then covered with a database of clothes that the software has uploaded before only. The customer can swipe through the available clothes on the screen, and each item comes with detailed information about the material, color, size, and also its price. This technology clears several obstacles. First, it provides instant try-ons. No more waiting in line for fitting rooms. The AR scans your body and allows you to try on different outfits instantly. It also preserves the store's inventory as clothes aren't physically handled during trials. This means the store clothes stay in better condition. Shopkeepers also benefit because they no longer have to manage fitting rooms or deal with piles of clothes. They can spend more time helping customers and running the store efficiently. Now I want to forward this explanation to my co-member Priyanshu Gupta.
Let's talk about the benefit now. If this system is introduced in every clothing store, it will result in faster shopping. Customer will be able to try on more outfits in less time, simply by swiping on the screen to see how the clothes fit. This will also lead to a significant increase in sales. Shopkeepers will be able to assist more customer at once, resulting in higher conversion rates. With no physical try-ons, the store will maintain a cleaner and more hygienic environment, which is something everyone values this day. And of course, damage to clothes will be minimized because customers don't need to physical try them on. Now, I know you might be thinking, is not this similar to the AR try-on features used by the eyewear brand Lenskart? And yes, it is. But what we are doing here is taking this concept to the next level. While Lenskart system is limited to glasses, our will be able to handle a wide variety of clothing types and size. It's not just a basic AR feature. We are incorporating advanced algorithm that will consistently improve the system accuracy and optimization. It's going to involve it into something much more advanced to as technology improves. So that complete idea in a nutshell, we truly believe this solution will revolution the shopping experience, making it smoother, faster, and more efficient for both customer and shopkeeper. We are excited to bring this innovation to life. Thank you so much for your attention. We appreciate you being with us throughout this explanation.